Well, the clock is ticking for many gun owners who need to renew their pistol permits here in the Empire State. News 4's Luke Moretti tells us about the deadline and how you can avoid the long lines.
If I were you and I had a pistol permit, I would recertify.
Erie County Clerk Michael Kern says an important date looms for pistol permit holders. January 31st is the deadline to recertify if your permit was issued before January 15th, 2013. If not, he says there could be consequences.
As it is now, it is immediate revocation. There could be a legal challenge based on due process, but I would not take that chance. I would not take that chance. I would recertify.
Kern says paper applications can be picked up at the auto bureaus around the county and that his staff is ready to help with questions.
If you do fill out a paper version, I recommend you send that certified mail so we have some type of receipt to let the state know that you have complied with the law.
This is a free recertification process.
New York State Trooper James O'Callahan says the process can be done online. He says it's an easy form that can be filled out in about 10 minutes.
The information is very basic. It's all information that can be filled out from using your driver's license and pistol permit.
Once submitted, he says you'll get an email confirmation. But if you decide to go with a paper application by mail, the confirmation will take longer to process.
What happens if someone doesn't do this? Or they don't do it by the deadline?
If someone doesn't do this, they could in fact lose their pistol permit. And obviously no one wants to do that. A lot of people are under the misconception that if this is just an Erie County thing or just a Niagara County thing, this is a New York State thing. If you have a New York State pistol permit in any county, you need to recertify your permit.
Now, Erie County Clerk Michael Kern says there's been such a high demand for recertification that he's making some changes at the office. Starting next week, he says first-time pistol permit applicants will need to schedule an appointment by calling the clerk's office. He says that process, designed to ease wait times, will be in effect through the state's recertification deadline on January 31st. Luke Moretti, News 4.